Having a Lamborghini that not only attracts attention on the interstate, but also becomes your home wherever you decide to park it is an amazing experience. One concept vehicle that is currently under development is the 2025 Lamborghini Motorhome. It blends the sophistication of a five-star suite on wheels with the brand's distinctive performance and design. It is the most opulent vehicle that can be imagined. The living room is a lavish space that greets you as soon as you walk in. It is modern and lavish, with carbon fiber accents, Italian leather, and ambient LED lighting. The living area has a really luxurious atmosphere. The following characteristics are present in the living room. A big, comfortable couch with integrated heating and massage features. There is a 65-inch OLED smart TV with high definition and a retractable screen. The panoramic roof's electrochromic glass produces a shifting mood all day long. The coffee table has a modern appearance thanks to its marble construction and brushed metal accents. It also has concealed storage areas that preserve the tidy appearance. A separate bedroom and a suite. In the rear corner of the room is a private master bedroom that is similar to the bedrooms in high-end hotels. A queen-size bed with a headboard embroidered with Lamborghini designs and a memory foam mattress. Complete comfort is the aim of ambient lighting and blackout blinds, which can be adjusted to the user's preferences. There is also a vanity space and a built-in closet with soft closing drawers. Even for tourists, noise-canceling panels are available to ensure a good night's sleep. This extremely intelligent climate control system was created just for the bedroom. Dependability and effectiveness of the service make a friend. Even though it is a camper van, it nevertheless has the characteristics of a Lamborghini, such as advanced automated driving and navigation for lengthy trips, all-wheel steering and adjustable air suspension for a smooth and maneuverable ride. All of these parts are powered by a twin-turbo V12 hybrid engine, which offers exceptional highway performance. The interior electronics are powered by environmentally friendly electricity from solar panels and lithium batteries. The Lamborghini Motorhome 2025 is more than just a vehicle. It's a brand statement. To put it another way, it is the ideal combination of portability and Italian style, which makes it ideal for lavish road trips, private retreats, and arriving in luxury at the Monaco Grand Prix.